Understand the trading process of instrument, able to summarize the concept of stock market, the major one in financial system, components of financial system. That is a major for your examination purpose also. Identify a company of your choice and record its share prices for 1 month. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh, lecturing Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are discussing the topic called financial market and services. So in financial market and services, what we are going to study? There are total 5 modules are there. Which are those 5 modules? What financial market and services talks about? So it is completely theory based topic. You will not get any practical oriented, but related to practical you will learn more theories. Without these theories you cannot go for practical. So what is the course outcome? Before we go into your topic, what are the modules you have, what you are going to study? Before that, we'll have a small introduction. What is the learning outcome or what is the outcome from this particular course? Now, to able to recall concept of financial system, you will understand how financial system works. What are the financial system? What are the financial institutions? What do you mean by financial market? These are the topics you will learn in this particular topic. Able to differentiate the roles of financial institution. There are many financial institutions are there. The major one we call it as bank. All the insurance sectors, all the mutual fund. These things comes under your financial institution. What are their roles? We will learn. Able to understand concept of financial services. What are the concept of financial services? You will learn. Understand the trading process of instrument. Able to summarize the concept of stock market. You will learn more about stock market, not how to work, but what stock market does, how stock market is helping us, what is the process and what is the functions of stock market. You are going to learn. Stock markets and all comes under what? Yes, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. You will learn about what is SEBI. What are the functions of SEBI? This is your module number 1. Usually we call it as chapter 1, unit 1, or else we can call it as module 1. In the module 1, just you will understand what is financial system. You will understand our financial system is what are its function, features, role, importance, everything you will learn in this. The major one in financial system, components of financial system. That is a major for your examination purpose also. Features, constituents of financial system, financial institution, financial services, financial market, financial instrument. Remember, financial institution 1, financial services 2, financial market 3, financial instrument 4. Total how many are there? 4. These are the 4 components of financial system. There is a major one. As I told you, your 15-mark question going to be asked on this only. What are the common components of financial system? Module number 2 or unit 2. In the unit 2, you will understand financial institution. I'll go back to your previous slide. See, what are the components? Institution, services, market and instrument. These are going to your module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. The next modules are based on what? These 4 components. You will learn the basic concept in this. In detail, you will learn individual topic, individual component in the upcoming modules. Financial institution. What is a financial institution? The major thing you will study in financial institution, what is money market and what is capital market. These are the 2 major things you are supposed to learn. What is money market and what is capital market. Then, what are the objectives, functions, all these things. See, you will learn Corporation of India, Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI. Next, State Finance Corporation, SFC, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation. So, these are the things you are going to learn. Module 3 is all financial services. What are the services we get? We collect from the financial institution. You learn which are the financial institution. Now we are learning what are the services they provide us. Now, financial services, the meaning, objective, function, characteristics, as well as in this we will learn what is merchant banking, operation, leasing, mutual fund, venture capital and credit rating. These are the major topics we are going to learn in this particular topic. Module 4, financial market and instrument, meaning and definition, role, function. Every unit, every topic, meaning, definition, roles, functions, objectives, it must be there in that particular topic. Again, you will repeat capital market, and in this, as I told you, your stock market comes under what? Yes, all the securities comes under SEBI rule. So, Security Exchange Board of India, the guidelines will be learned. And what are the commercial papers? These things also we will learn. Your last module, that is all about stock market. What are the functions of stock market? How it operates? What is NSDL? What is CSDL? These are your 2 mark question, very important. What is a BSE, NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange? What is OTCEI? These are the things you are going to learn in this particular topic. All the abbreviations are important. Why? Because your 2 mark questions are based on these abbreviations only. Skill development, as you know that, what is your paper marks weightage? Yes, it is a 60 marks paper and 40 marks will be your assignment as well as your assessment, self-assessment. In this you have Viva, you have your project, you have your record. These things you are supposed to keep. So remember, your marks will be allotted based on your skill development activities also. Now, visit any financial institution and prepare a report regarding its structure, function and performance. That is the first one. Analyze the rating given by any credit rating agency for at least 5 companies. Conduct a mock stock trading session and record the outcome. This is the most important actually. Every educational institutions going with this mock stock trading. Mock stock trading means everything is live only, but you are not physically spending money. For example, there are many stock gaming applications out there. You can also try. So how it works means, whatever the live market is there, all the live market access will be there. They will give you around 50 lakh, 10 lakh of cash. That is not cash. That is not real cash. That is only dummy cash. Clear? So you can invest, you can buy, you can sell, you can do whatever you are supposed to do in the live market. Everything you can do it in this gaming application, just to learn what income, what profit, what analysis, whether it is worked or not, just to know your capability, just to know where you are standing. That is the reason you should have mock stock trading session and record the outcome. Next, identify a company of your choice and record its share prices for 1 month. So identify, there are many shares are there. If you go to any stock exchange or stock broker, Nifty 50. What is the Nifty 50? Yes, there are 50 stocks are there which are very good in momentum. So that is the reason, the momentum in the sense, the movement of those 50 shares are very good. So there is a fast moving is there, it will go up, it will go down, depends on market, the variation will be there for these 50 shares. There are lakhs together shares are there which are listed, but all the shares are doesn't have movement. So there are some XYZ share. Morning when it open, it will be around 32 rupee. When it closes, it will be 32 only. After 1 month, if you see, it will be around 33 or 31. So these are called as non-movement, no movement stocks. Few stocks are there. If you go to Infosys or something, if it is around 1400, after 1 week, if you see, it will be 1600 or 1200. There is a movement is there in that particular share. So those are shares. You have to identify any 5 to 10 shares. In that, you have to see the what is the momentum and what is the reason for that. Each and everything you have to check. Your internals. What are your internals? As you know that you are already done with your first, second and third semester. The same pattern will be maintained. You will be having 3 internals. So out of 3, 2 are compulsory. Your whole syllabus will divide into 3 and your internal portions will be given. Out of 3 internals, we have to subdivide it. Like your portions will be subdivided into 3. All the 3 internals are compulsory. Out of 3, 2 are compulsory, 3 are, third one is optional. But for your educational purpose, study purpose, please attend all the 3 internals so that instead of your breaking the syllabus, we are only break the syllabus and we will give you the internals. You can prepare part by part so that it will be helpful for your examination. Your unit 1 and 2, unit 3, unit 4 and 5. This will be your internals 1, 2, 3 patterns. Now, your overall, there are 2 internals are compulsory out of 3. Now, question paper pattern. What are the question paper patterns? Now, as you know that there is a 2 mark 5 questions are there. 2 mark 5 questions, 10 mark 2 questions, 15 mark 2 questions and total it will cover 60 marks. Balance 40 will be what? Your internal assessment as well as internal examination. So what is the minimum marks for passing? As you know, because you're almost 3 semesters senior. Why I'm calling 3 semesters senior means you have already done first, second and now we are in the third semester. You have to remember out of 60, you should score 21. Remaining 19 marks you can score from internal assessment. 40 is the passing. Assume that you got 35 out of 60. Balance 5 if you get your pass. There is no minimum marks from your internal assessment. Even though you scored 0 in internal assessment and 40 marks in the examination, still your pass. Hope you are clear. So there is no minimum weightage, marks weightage for internal assessment. You can score 40 out of 40 also and you can score 0 also, but you should score minimum 40 for passing out of 60. Now, after this, in case if you got less than 21, it is 20, here it is 40, 60. Even though you are fail, the reason is, what is the minimum passing mark? 21. You should have 21 minimum. The total should cross 40. That is the thing. Okay. Hope you are clear. Your out of 60, it should be 21 or more and total should match 40. Then you are clear with this particular topic. Now, books for reference. Whatever the books given by the Vidhyaashram, whatever the notes given by Vidhyaashram, whatever you attend classes, that is more than sufficient for your examination purpose. Still, if you want any additional reference purpose, then you can go with these are the books you can refer. So this is all about your syllabus, your contents and everything. Please work out module 1, module 2, 3, 4, 5. You have separate videos for each module. Please watch all the videos. That is more than sufficient for your examination. Along with that videos, you have a notes also. Please follow that notes. That is as per your examination contents only included in this. Please follow the notes and the videos which are posted in your Google Classroom. Thank you.